Hello guys, my name is Big Red Banana Herring. Welcome back to another updated video. Well, the dog's having a C-section now. Bo and Saffies having babies today. But, to be fair, Saffies having hers today on Halloween, which was on the 31st of October. But unfortunately, Bo can't have her babies, which is the 1st of November. To be fair, which is the day after. And I'm going to show you the puppies. Here they are. Look at them. Oh my goodness. We've got 13 amazing little puppies. We are so grateful, guys. Honestly, we are more grateful than any other in the world. We're so lucky to have puppies like these. They are so cute. Guys, please keep on subscribing. We love you all. We'll talk to you soon. Goodbye.